Welcome to day 40 of the 60-day AMA program. Here are the highlights from the session. Tonight, Nick discusses roadmap achievements and progress. When you look at our roadmap, which everyone can view at blockdag.network/dev-releases or on the Incarnation homepage, we've completed every single Phase 1 milestone on schedule. Every single one. Nick highlighted the key milestones. Security audits in progress. We completed our internal audit with advanced code analysis tools, then brought in Halborn for external validation. All findings will be integrated into the network. The blockchain you'll interact with is secure, audited, and battle-tested. The primordial testnet complete. Our first public testnet launched successfully. We tested core functionality, validated performance, and the community engagement exceeded all expectations. This was our first major proof point that the technology works. UTXO removal complete. We fully transitioned to an account-based model. This simplified transactions, reduced technical debt, and dramatically improved the developer experience. It's one of those behind-the-scenes changes that makes everything smoother. Upgradability mechanism complete. We implemented a safe versioned upgrade system with staged rollouts and instant rollback capability. This means the network can evolve without disruption. If we need to push an update, we can do it smoothly without taking the network down. Account abstraction complete. This opens the door for gasless transactions, social recovery features, and simplified wallet interactions. For users, this means a much better experience, especially for newcomers to blockchain. The awakening testnets complete. We enhanced network stability, improved performance metrics, and refined wallet connectivity. The awakening phase was the final preparation for Incarnation, our last testnet before mainnet. Miner staking complete. This adds an additional security layer to our network and enhances our economic model. Miners can now stake their BDAG to increase rewards and contribute to network security. ASIC mining integration complete. Both our X30 and X100 miners are fully tested and operational. We've optimized the hardware-to-network communication, and miners are ready to start earning from day one of mainnet. What does all this mean for our community in practical terms? Nick explains that it means we've built a production-ready, secure, scalable blockchain. Every feature we promised has been delivered, tested, and hardened. The network you'll interact with on February 11th isn't a beta version. It's a fully audited, battle-tested mainnet ready for real-world use. It demonstrates our internal coordination, technical readiness, and respect for our community's time and investment. The Incarnation testnet is the final testing phase before mainnet. What's the current status? Incarnation testnet is nearing completion, focusing on several key areas. First, load testing and performance optimization are being conducted to validate the network's stability under peak loads with thousands of transactions per second. Second, smart contract validation includes ensuring EVM compatibility, deployment execution, and finalizing gas optimization. Third, enhancements to the Explorer are in progress, incorporating contract insights and improved filtering based on user feedback. Lastly, wallet connectivity and user experience are being tested for seamless functionality, ensuring the user dashboard operates smoothly. Our community has played a crucial role in enhancing transaction processing, improving UI in the Explorer, refining wallet integrations, and validating dApp functionality. The testnet has effectively functioned as a proving ground, allowing thorough testing of features prior to their mainnet launch. What exactly happens on TGE Day? On-chain token generation of BDAG tokens occurs when they are officially created on the BlockDAG mainnet, with a fixed total supply of 50 billion. Following this, smart contracts, including vesting and treasury contracts, are activated and audited for security. The initial circulating supply is then released based on transparent tokenomics, ensuring no hidden allocations. A user dashboard is provided for pre-sale participants and airdrop recipients to claim their tokens. Finally, liquidity preparations are completed for upcoming DEX listings and market-making activities, leading to exchange listings on February 16th. Walk us through the claim process. How do pre-sale participants actually get their tokens? To set up your wallet, first check your email for setup instructions sent to pre-sale participants. Next, log into the user dashboard to view allocation details, vesting schedule, and airdrop eligibility. Then, connect your wallet, MetaMask and other EVM wallets supported, securely. Finally, click Claim for your unlocked tokens, approve the transaction, and the tokens will appear in your wallet. 5 days after TGE, we have exchange listings planned for February 16th. This is when the market opens and trading begins. Nick shared some details. For centralized exchanges, we're confirmed on 13 Tier 1 and US exchanges that we'll be announcing as we get closer to the listing date. On the decentralized side, we'll be on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and additional DEX platforms. We're implementing staggered but coordinated launches across various exchanges to enhance liquidity management and minimize volatility, protecting the community from significant price fluctuations. The main trading pairs will be BDAG, USDT on most exchanges, BDAG, ETH on select platforms, and BDAG, BTC on major exchanges. Professional market-making teams will be engaged to provide immediate and deep liquidity, ensuring healthy trading from the first listing, along with price stability mechanisms to guard against manipulation. Why the gap between TGE and listings? Why not list immediately? This phased approach serves multiple purposes. It allows pre-sale participants to claim tokens, ensures proper distribution, and minimizes technical issues on listing day. Additionally, it provides community members time to properly manage wallets, transfer tokens, and test transactions, while also validating the mainnet stability through real usage. Furthermore, exchanges benefit from having the necessary time for integration testing and infrastructure readiness. Lastly, it offers an opportunity for education on safe trading practices and setting clear expectations regarding the listing schedule. TGE and listings are huge milestones, but they're really just the beginning, aren't they? What comes next for BlockDAG? The roadmap beyond listing is where things get really exciting. We're not just launching a blockchain, we're building a complete ecosystem. We are launching critical DeFi infrastructure, including a decentralized exchange with deep liquidity, lending and borrowing platforms, and yield farming opportunities. Additionally, we are introducing a comprehensive NFT marketplace supporting ERC 721 and ERC 1155 standards, featuring IPFS integration and built-in royalty systems for creators. Integration of DIA Oracle will provide essential price feeds, facilitate off-chain data connectivity, and enhance data aggregation for various applications. Moreover, we will enable advanced data indexing, improved Explorer capabilities, GraphQL APIs for developers, real-time analytics dashboards, and full historical data access. What about community programs and ways for people to get involved beyond just holding tokens? 4 major ecosystem programs are launching. BlockDAG Academy will offer developer education, resources, tutorials, and certification. The Ambassador Program provides community leadership, initiative support, and exclusive rewards. The Buildathon series includes competitive events for AI, DeFi, and infrastructure projects with funding. And the grant programs will finance projects, incentivize developers, support research, and promote sustainability. What about the technical side? What's on the roadmap for network improvements? We're focusing on 4 key technical areas: scaling enhancements, which include optimizing throughput and exploring Layer 2 solutions; developer tools, featuring improved IDEs, SDKs for various programming languages, and automated deployment; additional VM support with WASM integration and multiple execution environments; and network governance, emphasizing community mechanisms for transparency and decentralization. It's time for some community Q&A. First question: what makes BlockDAG different from other Layer 1 blockchains launching in 2026? 3 key differentiators are highlighted. First, a DAG-based proof-of-work architecture allows for thousands of transactions per second via parallel processing, distinguishing it from traditional blockchain systems. Second, the project has consistently met milestones, including timely completion of the pre-sale and testnet phases, which is uncommon in the blockchain industry. Third, a complete ecosystem is being launched, including DeFi infrastructure, NFT capabilities, a functioning mining ecosystem, comprehensive developer tools, and active community programs, all prepared from day one. Next question, how will you prevent large sell pressure after TGE? Our tokenomics are designed to prevent large sell-offs through structured vesting schedules for pre-sale tokens, professional market making to mitigate volatility, and staggered liquidity releases. We incentivize the community with staking and ecosystem participation rewards, fostering a long-term focus. Our aim is to create genuine technology with real utility rather than engaging in a pump-and-dump scheme. Can you guarantee the February 11th and 16th dates won't slip? All systems are prepared for software deployment with audits completed and thorough testing of integrations. The scheduled dates, February 11th for TGE and February 16th for listings, will proceed unless a catastrophic unforeseen event occurs, for which contingencies are in place. Final question, what's your vision for BlockDAG in 5 years? In 5 years, BlockDAG is envisioned as the foundational technology for DeFi, facilitating high-speed and low-cost financial applications through a balanced mining network. It aims to provide an exceptional developer platform supported by a robust community and serves as a practical ecosystem for creating and implementing real-world blockchain solutions, focusing on long-term infrastructure development rather than short-term price gains. To wrap up, for community members, check your email for wallet setup instructions. Prepare your wallet before February 11th. Join Discord for real-time updates. Read documentation at docs.blockdagnetwork.io. Mark your calendar for the February 10th pre-TGE AMA. And that wraps up day 40. Here are some things to remember. Mainnet is public infrastructure, not a marketing event. Testnet is your practice ground. Use it. BlockDAG is rolling out deliberately because long-term networks aren't rushed. Transparency only works if people engage with the details. If Mainnet feels like it's dragging, that's good. Boring infrastructure is reliable infrastructure. And reliable infrastructure is how BlockDAG wins. We are days away from TGE with listing to follow, so please keep up with our info. And that wraps up day 41.